In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a VPN proxy extension for your Google Chrome browser. If you're looking to enhance your online privacy, secure your data, or access geo-restricted content with ease, a VPN extension in your browser can be a great tool. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through every step to ensure you have a smooth setup experience. To start, open your Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. This menu is your gateway to a variety of browser settings and tools. Click on these dots, then hover over the Extensions option. From the submenu that appears, you'll want to select Visit Chrome Web Store. This is the official Chrome outlet for adding extra features to your browser, including a selection of VPNs. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, notice the search bar prominently displayed. Type in VPN to begin your search for a suitable extension. You'll be presented with an array of options ranging from free to premium services, each offering different features based on your needs and preferences. Popular choices include names like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, which are well regarded for their security features and ease of use. Take a moment to review the options available and select one that you feel confident about or that has good reviews. After choosing a VPN extension that suits you, click on the Add to Chrome button adjacent to it. This action initiates the installation process, and promptly a pop-up will appear asking for your confirmation to add the extension. Click Add Extension in the pop-up. This important step allows the extension to be integrated with your browser, ensuring it's ready for use whenever you need it. Once the installation is complete, you should see a notification confirming the successful addition of the VPN extension. Depending on the VPN you chose, you might need to set up an account or subscribe to unlock its full list of features. Most VPNs will have a setup guide or tutorial to help you through this process, making it easy to get started and connected within minutes. Now, whenever you wish to use a VPN, simply click on the VPN icon added to your toolbar, usually near the 3-dot menu where we started. You can quickly manage your VPN settings, turn it on or off, and select server locations directly from this interface. And there you have it, a VPN extension installed on your Google Chrome browser, opening the door to enhance privacy and security online. Remember, these extensions can protect your data as you browse the web while keeping your online activities safe from prying eyes. Whether you are at home or using public Wi-Fi, your browsing is more secure with a VPN. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy browsing.